I got the full light blocker installed. Let's see how it looks. Wow, this is really good. It really does a great job. There's really no light leak, even when I have a light to my back, or around. Well, there's a little bit around the nose. I mean, the fit's going to be a little different for everybody. I probably could, secure it a little tighter. There we go. That's pretty good. Looks like all the facial recognition, face tracking, all of the tracking mechanisms seem to be working. The brightness, because the light is, I've got the brightness all the way up on this thing, so I feel like I could actually turn that down a bit. So I don't have it all the way up, but yeah, turning it all the way up, it makes it very bright when you're blocking out all the light. I'd say that's about perfect right there for the light blockers. It actually increases contrast ratio a little bit, gives a little better quality. Yeah, this looks really good. It's unfortunate that it's like they didn't really think ahead or plan ahead with making this thing. I mean, number one, this should have been included for the price. It should have been included in the box, but two, I'm surprised it doesn't fit on the base with the light blocker on it. So that's unfortunate, but it does a nice job. It's comfortable. It's a really soft silicone. It does a great job blocking out all the light, creating a really immersive experience. Well, that is about it. Thanks for joining. We'll see you next time.